Now, do you love that cake decorating toolkit? Let me tell you more about it. Let me introduce myself. This is Sally, from B&B World of Products. Now, you can decorate your cakes like a professional baker. Our 33-piece cake decorating set allows you to get in touch with your inner artist. Our set is ideal for cakes, cupcakes, cookies, pies, and many more that you can think of. You can even, literally, and decorate any baked goods with this cake decorating set. Our set is made from high-quality food-grade material that is non-toxic and safe. You'll never taste plastic, metal, or chemicals in your frosting. It's also durable and very easy to clean. It honestly doesn't matter what your skill level, anyone can conquer cake decorating with our set. And you can also use your decorating set for soap making and clay modeling projects. And your kids will absolutely have fun doing their baking project, and they are going to love it, for sure. Let me introduce you to one of our product managers, who handles all our cooking accessories and kitchenware, and I will be back to tell you where you can get it. Here's Gia.
Thank you, Sally. Hi, so glad to see you. I'm here to introduce to you some of the features of these products. Alright, here are what is inside your decorating kit. It includes 33 pieces Plungers cutter set, and 3-star fruit cutter, 3 carnation cutter, 4 flower cutter, 3-star plunger, and 4 daisy plunger, and also 3 butterfly plunger, 3 sunflower plunger, 3 heart plunger, 3 leaf plunger, and a 4 plum flower plunger. And this is how to use the plunger cutter. First, press down firmly, without pushing the plunger. Then, move it gently back and forth to remove the frayed edge. Third, while the plunger is still on the mat, gently press down on the plunger, to add the detail from the plunger. And, fourth, if you do not want the pattern, or details, simply lift up the cutter, and press the plunger to release the fondant. That easy, and I hope this simple tip can help you make a terrific cake, and be able to impress all your friends and family with your newfound cake decorating skills. I assure you that our 33-piece set can help you create gorgeously and professional-looking cake and other baked goods. And back to you, Sally.
Thank you, Joanna. Now that you've heard it from our product manager, we hope you will try it. Like I promised, I've got the link posted below at the bottom. Thank you for watching it. Get it now while it's on sale. And don't forget to get yours and subscribe, and to hit that notification bell to receive our latest product video release and offer. Thanks again.